Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. Firstly, I recommended to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put both of your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone. And then you open the charging case and check, is it fixed? If it doesn't help you, also I recommended to check is you tap at the touch controls. So the touch controls located at the back side of your earbuds, and right here at the top we have it. So tap on it, or double press, or press and hold, or you can swipe also. And if you know that you tap at the touch controls, I recommend it to open Xiaomi Earbuds application. And of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. If you don't know how, you can check a video at this channel. So in the application you just scroll down and go to the gestures. By default it do not use single press, so if you try to single press on your earbuds you cannot use it. You need to set it to something. Or maybe because of something you will have all gestures set to none, so like this one, and then you need to select some feature for them. So let's say we have none here, and you just select something like, let's say, play previous track, and then check it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.